So we're going to go ahead and click on the search button in the top right, and we're going to invest in some fractional shares of NVIDIA. So in this case, I know the symbol is NVDA. We can go ahead and type that in, and that brings up NVIDIA at the very top. Just like before, you can look at the different time horizons and see what the returns have been for this stock. You can also click on it to get a more detailed idea of the pricing activity. But what we're going to do here is just click on the buy button. And at this point, we're going to have $50 available to trade since we have that other pending order, and we want to invest in dollars. If you wanted to buy whole shares, you could leave this on shares. So for example, one share would cost $118.77, but in this case, we want to invest with dollars. So we're going to put $40 into this particular stock. That'll leave us with a $10 balance just in case we decide to do something else with that for demo purposes. And we want to do this as a market order. If you want to specify the exact price that you are going to pay, you could do a limit order and then set that price between the bid and the ask price. But in this case, a market order is fine since we want to have rapid order execution. From here, we're going to click on preview order, and then we're going to take a look here at the final details. This is going to be $40 invested. There's $0 paid in commissions, and we're going to click on the place order button at the very bottom. And at this point, we can click here on view order status. And in this case, our order was filled for NVIDIA. So the other order is still open here for the Fidelity 500 index fund. We'll check on that at a later date to see if that actually fills. I think it has to do with the order window here for these index mutual funds. It might be a set time of day when they fulfill all of those orders, but for a stock, for example, that's going to be any time throughout the trading day. So that's why that order filled immediately at $118.90 per share. And we ended up buying fractional shares. It doesn't show exactly how much, but if we visit our portfolio screen under investing and we go here to positions, we can see it's actually 0.336 shares.